Hello guys, today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite things to do within woodworking. Within woodworking, there's all different types of stuff. There's making simple stuff, complicated, intricate. You can use all different types of wood. You can color your piece in all different ways, stain, spray paint. You don't have to color, you can just do polyacrylic and do it the natural way. But one of the things I like to do is using pallet wood to make beautiful signs. So this is a process I learned through my teacher in school, and I now want to start at home. I actually have all the wood. I just need to make some templates out and do all that. Within making pallet signs, there is no end. You can do almost anything, just like woodworking. You can do anything. You can do a unicorn, a dinosaur, your state. You can do Florida. You can do Los Angeles. You can do cities, states, countries. You can do any color using spray paint. You can even stain. There's colored stain. There is no end to the possibilities. So you just use pallet wood and you can just staple it all together, hang it up, and you can even sell it for some nice money because people love to see pallet signs because it has that rustic look and it's not something you see every day from like IKEA or another big box store. It's a nice piece. I enjoy making it. I'm gonna show you some photos of stuff that I've made with other students in my school, my teacher, and my friends. It's nice stuff. It does take a little time in the beginning. Well, it takes time all around, but it takes some more time in the beginning because you don't know how to really do it as quickly, and you want to take your time and make it look nice. You actually can use a bandsaw to do this. You can use other saws like jigsaws, scroll saws, but I've done it on a bandsaw and I really enjoy it. So I'm now showing you guys a few photos of when I was making these pallet signs in school. The first photo is about 10 different colors. It's all wood after it was spray painted. We use that wood to make surfboards, elephants, dinosaurs, deer. We made signs of different states. The second photo I have is me along with my other friends working on these pallet signs. We were using the templates and we were making these different designs. And then the third picture is those designs being about finished. You can see a seahorse, a shark, and an anchor. You'll see in New Jersey we were doing that for another teacher who was giving it to their parents who live in New Jersey. That is actually not finished. That's the fourth photo which just popped up, and that is that finished New Jersey. This is what we call the USA New Jersey, as it is red, white, and blue with the stars. We took this as if it was cut from a flag to the left of it where the blue and stars are. So this is not supposed to be a full flag, but supposed to be a partial part of the flag that we would like cut out. So that design. So we have done many more, but these are just some of the few photos I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.